Today, I wanted to share a little reminder about healing after narcissistic abuse, and it's mainly to do with energy. Narcissists attack the one thing that the soul wants and needs, which is self-expression. But when you're constantly thinking about how your actions and words are going to be perceived, so when you're constantly thinking about how is this person going to react? Is what I'm doing good enough? Is this person going to explode? You are in no position to express yourself. You are now in survival mode, and you cannot be in survival mode and in a state of natural flow of energy at the same time. Emotions, energy, they are meant to flow through us, and they are not meant to sit somewhere and to get stuck in one place. The body needs energy to flow through a body in order for us to be healthy. So every emotion that we hold in gets stored inside of our bodies like it's frozen in time. So imagine all of the times that you were angry with a narcissist, but you kept it inside for the sake of not making things worse. Or imagine all of the times that you felt so sad and rejected, but you were not able or allowed to express yourself because you were on the receiving end of a silent treatment. These emotions were stored inside of our bodies and are potentially making us sick, especially in the long term. And this is why a relationship with a narcissist is called a slow death of the soul. And in order to turn this all back around, so in order to get the energy flowing again, be angry, be sad, write, sing, dance, talk to the people who have been through the same thing, whether it's online or in real life. To heal ourselves, we need to be able to express ourselves and to feel safe in doing so.